Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. What is the next term in the series? And we are given few letters here. So let's try to find out a pattern here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So A, after that we have D, after that we have C, then F, then E, then let's see, we have to go forward with after two letters, then come back one letter. Then again go forward after two letters, let's see. So after two letters we've come back here, then after two letters from here, after two letters the next letter should be H and it's correct. So we come back one letter which will be G and that is also correct. So the next letter will be go forward two after two letters which is J. According to the pattern, plus 2 wait, this will be member plus 2 member minus 1 member plus 2 and so on. According to this pattern, answer is option B.